Here is a dataset that has a nearly normal distribution. In building a grouped frequency distribution table, that's what GFDT stands for. In building a GFDT for this dataset, you need to know how many values are in the class from 60 to 65. You decide that each class will include the lower class limit, but not the upper class limit. So how many values are between the interval, how many are in the interval where 60 with the square bracket means you're including 60, and then all the values after 60 up until 65 and not including 65 because we have a soft parentheses, right? Including the lower class limit, that's what it said here. You decided that each class will include the lower class limit, which here is 65, or I meant to say 60, and not the upper class limit, which is 65. All right, so now we just need to count all the values that fall into that interval. Now to do this a little more efficiently, I'm just going to move my data into a single column. Just takes a few seconds. Instead of having to go through and count them, I can put them all in one column and then sort them. Oops. Okay, we don't need any of this. All right, so now that all my data is in one column, I'm going to go ahead and sort that using the data sort function. So I just clicked on this. And now that they are in order, I can quickly go down to where the values that would fall into that class from 60 to 65 start right here. So these are all the values, not including 65, so I'm only going to count these values. So I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. You could also use the count function and then just select the cells that contain the values you want to include. Right, so my answer should be 5. Let's see. Yay!